I couldn't, in my wildest dreams, imagine paying to watch a robot perform. AI can become extremely good at replicating humanity, but it will never be human.
Everyone's talking about where technology is taking music, from streaming to AI. But this fear isn't new. Can you tell me what this is?
I can't.
What is
It's a Walkman.
Did you have one?
I did not. I'm the CD generation. But Walkmans revolutionized music. The evolution of records, Walkmans. It's just an amazing way that music's evolved to fulfill different roles in people's lives.
Back in the day, you had to pay large amounts of money to get into studios, and in today's technology, it's been open to a greater amount of the population.
Art should never be held by a select group of people who tell you what you can and can't like. So I'm very pro the democratization of music.
Their output is made meaningful by the human use of it.
If there are things that are standing in the way of you communicating your art and AI can help you do that, then I think that you should 100% use it.